Hello, my name is Jason Anderson, owner and author of CanonBlogger.com, and today for you I'd like to do a little hardware review of this little device I got over the holidays called a Justin clamp. What is a Justin clamp? A Justin clamp is simply, it's kind of like an A-frame clamp, kind of like what I have holding up my backdrop back here so you guys can see it better. It's just an A clamp, it really is just an A-shaped clamp, and then attached on the top of it is a little miniature ball head. And this little miniature ball head is designed to hold a flash inside of there. So you can take a speed light, put it in here, and you can take this Justin clamp and you can attach this to a table. You can attach it to a tripod leg. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but you can attach it to a leg on the other side of a tripod here. You can attach this pretty much anywhere. This brings an added dimension of universal lighting locator. You can attach your light to this and then attach this pretty much anywhere you want. You can have the clamp feature that will allow you to attach it to a flat surface, even a pole. And then you also have a little threaded knob inside of here, so you can see if I loosen this bracket up substantially, you could slide this into a pole. So if you had a steel pole, you could mount it to that. You can also mount it to a light stand via this little light stand mount on the underside here. And all you do is you just loosen this little ball head, and this little piece will fall down, and you can rotate this wherever you want to position your light however you want, and then put it on location, and you are good to go because this is not going to move once you get your light in there. So this one is made by the folks over at Manfrotto. I got it from B&H Photo with a $50 gift card. A little extra change, it was like $54, so I had to pay like $4 for it out of my own pocket, but $55 for a Justin clamp. This is the Manfrotto version I got from B&H Photo. You can get these from any vendor though. It doesn't have to be B&H Photo. It can be Adorama. It can be through Amazon, whoever you want. But a Justin clamp is a really handy feature to have if you want to do positional, on-location lighting pretty much anywhere, and you don't have to worry about anything other than batteries for your lights. You don't have to worry about an AC outlet. You can put it up anywhere. You can clamp this onto a branch. You can clamp it onto the side of a building. You can clamp it onto the side of a car. Anything you want. The options literally are endless when it comes to using a Justin clamp. Much easier than a lot of other options. I tried some do-it-yourself options, and everything I could come up with ran the risk of scratching out my speed lights, really dinging them up, and then I'd have some ugly contraption set up somewhere that probably wasn't meant to be and really unsafe because you wouldn't know if it was going to hold or not. There is no doubt that this Justin clamp is going to hold. You can put this Justin clamp anywhere and it's going to hold just fine. It's not going to fall off at all. You can put it that way, you can put it right side up, and you can twist this horizontally if you want. Whole bunch of options there. So that's the Justin clamp. I got it from B&H Photo, like I said, the Manfrotto version for $50. I apologize for the light stand or for the table stand being so high, but I wanted to have that inside the video so I could demonstrate to you how you can just clamp that onto any kind of flat surface. So it's the Justin clamp from Manfrotto. I got it at B&H for $55. If you want to do some location lighting, a Justin clamp is definitely something worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time here at CanonBlogger.com.